Today, we're exploring one of the most powerful tools in the world of networking, Cisco Catalyst products. Whether you're a network engineer, an IT pro, or just tech curious, you'll want to stick around to hear why the Catalyst series is an industry game changer. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is the Cisco Catalyst series? In simple terms, it's Cisco's line of high-performance switches and access points, built to support modern IT infrastructure. From small offices to large enterprises, these devices are designed for speed, security, and scalability. Let's break it down into key areas, starting with the Catalyst switches. Segment 1, the power of Catalyst switches. The Catalyst series spans several models, each catering to different network needs. For small businesses, the Catalyst 1000 series is perfect for straightforward, budget-friendly connectivity. But for larger enterprises, the Catalyst 9000 series is where things get really interesting. Example case. Imagine being an IT manager at a tech startup that's rapidly scaling its operations. Your team is using various IoT devices and remote work tools that demand seamless connectivity. With Catalyst 9000 switches, you can leverage Cisco DNA Center for network automation, cutting down manual configuration time by over 50%. So, what sets these switches apart from the competition? The Catalyst 9000 series is known for its support for intent-based networking. This means instead of configuring networks manually, you can set high-level network policies and let the switches implement them automatically. It's like having a smart assistant for your network. Segment 2, advanced features and security. Now let's talk security, a crucial aspect of any network. The Catalyst series doesn't disappoint. From Cisco TrustSec for segmenting network traffic to MACsec encryption for secure communications, your data is safe at every layer. Example case. Picture this: a financial services firm that needs to protect sensitive client data. By implementing MACsec encryption on their Catalyst 9000 switches, they ensure data traveling between switches is encrypted, reducing the risk of interception and potential breaches. And what about network automation? With Cisco DNA Center, you can automate tasks like device provisioning and policy updates. This means faster deployments and fewer human errors. Plus, real-time analytics help keep an eye on network health and performance. Segment 3, the Catalyst access points. Let's not forget about Catalyst access points. If you need Wi-Fi that can handle the demands of a modern enterprise, the Catalyst 9100 series is your go-to. These APs support Wi-Fi 6 and offer advanced features like multi-user capabilities to handle multiple devices simultaneously without compromising speed. Example case. Take a large university, for instance. During peak hours, students, faculty, and staff are all using their devices for online learning, research, and video conferencing. With Catalyst 9100 APs, the network can handle the increased capacity and deliver consistent performance, thanks to OFDMA technology. Segment 4, why choose Cisco Catalyst for your network? So, why choose Cisco Catalyst over other options? The answer is simple: future-proofing. These devices are built with the next decade in mind. From modular design that lets you upgrade as needed to software subscription services, ensuring the latest updates, the Catalyst series is ready for whatever comes next. Example case. Imagine an enterprise preparing for digital transformation. By adopting the Catalyst 9000 series, they're not just adding new switches, they're setting the stage for software-defined access, SD access, and intent-based networking, giving them the agility and flexibility they'll need to thrive. Before wrapping up, let's talk about Cisco's management and monitoring tools. With Cisco Prime Infrastructure, DNA Assurance, and Cisco Network Assistant, managing your Catalyst network becomes intuitive and efficient. It's like having a control center that keeps everything running smoothly. That's a wrap for today's deep dive into Cisco Catalyst products. Hopefully, this episode has given a clearer picture of why these switches and access points are at the forefront of enterprise networking. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights and share this podcast with your network-loving friends. Until next time, keep innovating, stay curious, and as always, keep it techie.